Hello everyone, welcome to 5th Arduino tutorial. So today we will discuss about 7 segment display. Here is the pin configuration of 7 segment display, and the total pins in 7 segment pins are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, in which pin number 3 and pin number 8 are common pins. Suppose if you are using common cathode 7 segment, then you will connect this pin with ground of Arduino board. But if you are using common anode 7 segment, then you will connect these pins with 5 board. Okay. Now here is the wiring scheme of 7 segment with Arduino pin. The segment pin 7, which represents segment A, will goes to pin number 2 of Arduino board. Okay. The 7 segment pin 6, which represents segment B, will goes to Arduino pin 3. Similarly, rest pins, for example, pin number 9, segment pin number 9, which represent the segment F, will go to Arduino pin 7. Okay, but you can connect your segment pins with Arduino pins as you want, but I am connecting these pins in such way. So let's do the wiring of 7 segment. So here's my wiring section. First of all, drop your 7 segment to Arduino board, and as I'm using common cathode, so let's switch it to common cathode. Okay, now let's zoom it. Okay, now I know my pin number 3 and pin number 8 are ground pins, so here's my pin number 3. Now connect it with ground. Now let's change the color of wire to black, as ground is our low terminal, low potential. Okay, now pin number 7 of 7 segment will goes to pin number 2. Now let's change the color of wire to blue. Okay, that's perfect. And pin number 6 with 3. Okay, pin number 4 with 4, and here's my pin number 4, goes to 4. Okay, and pin number 5 of 7 segment represents the dot pin, which I am connecting it later. Okay, now pin number 2 goes to pin number 5. Oops, sorry. That's perfect. Now pin number 1, which represents E, will goes to pin number 6. That's perfect. Now pin number 9 will goes to 7. So my pin number 9. Finally, pin number 10 will goes to 8. Okay, finally pin number 5 to 9, which display my dot. Okay, so that's all about wiring section of 7 segment. Now let's do our coding part. So let's do the coding part, and my objective is to make an automatic up counter. Okay, so first of all let's declare the all Arduino pins which is connected to 7 segment. Okay, so first of all let me take a look to segment pins. Okay, now my segment A is connected to Arduino pin 2, B is connected to Arduino pin 3, C 4, D 5, E 6, F 7, G 8. Okay, so let's write down. In segment A is connected to Arduino pin 2, segment B is connected to Arduino pin 3, segment C is connected to Arduino 4, segment D is connected to Arduino pin 5, segment E is connected to Arduino pin 6, segment F is connected to Arduino pin 7, and segment G is connected to Arduino pin 8. Now let's declare all the pins as an output. Okay, here's my output. Pin mode A as an output, pin mode B as an output, pin mode C as an output. Okay, pin mode D as an output. My mistake, this should be capital M. Pin mode E as an output. Again my mistake. Okay, oops. Just forgot. Pin mode F should also an output. Pin mode G as an output. Okay, now let's do our void loop section. First of all we want to display 0. Okay, let's take a look. To display 0, all segment should on except G segment. Okay, so write down digital write A should high, okay, digital write B should also high, digital write C should also high, okay, digital write D should also high, digital write E should also high. Digital write F should also high. And digital write F should also high, except G should low. Okay, that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's perfect. Okay, now to display one segment B and C should high and rest of all should low. So let's copy paste it. Now put some delay so that to display one segment B should high and A should low, C should high and D should low, E low, F should also low. Okay, so you just put some delay 1000 and just copy paste it to display 2. Now to display 2, A should high, B, G, E, D. These all segments should high except C and F should low. C should low, F should low, and all should high. Sorry, I forgot C and F. Okay, C and F. Okay, E should high, B should high, C should low, A should high. Okay, that's it. Now let's display 3. Now to display 3, F and E should low, F and E. F and E should low and G should high, and A should also high. That's alright. To display 4, A, E, D should low, A, E, D should low, and rest should high. A should low, D, E, F should high. Alright, this one's working. To display 5, B and E should low, B and E should low, and S should high. To display 6, B should low, S should high. To display 7, ABC should high, that should low. ABC should high, and rest should low. Okay, to display 8, to display 8, all segments should high. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's come to last display, which is 9. Okay, to display 9, E should low, E should low, and that segment should high. Okay, so that's alright. Now upload the code on your Arduino board. And it's perfect. There's a mistake in segment 3, isn't it? Yeah. We are forgetting D. Is it so? Yeah. So upload it once again. that's it. Okay, now let's see our up counter. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So that's perfect. Okay, now that was automatic up down counter. Now let's do our next exercise. We are going to control this counter by using push button. If I press 1, there should be 1. For 2, there should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Okay, so let's do our next exercise.